Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is November the 21st and I'm using my new Pro Trader trading system. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer right where this vertical line is, going through all my instruments and making a decision based on my daily trade plan whether I should be buying and or selling. So now we can take a look at this daily trade plan. Now I took a screenshot around 6:15 in the morning so that I can keep an eye on it, and I want it to be going in the direction of my daily trade plan. You must have some kind of a daily trade plan or you will fail at trading. Now you can run a check on all the trades I've taken, and they were taken directly from this daily trade plan. So remember, you must have some kind of a daily trade plan or you're going to fail as a trader. Okay, now we can get into these trades. The first one is the pound dollar. Drag and drop this up and see where I got in at. Now it could have easily gone down right from this point, as this was a setup candle. But the market is very random. It'll go down, it'll go up, it'll go sideways. But if you have a daily trade plan and you have more faith in the direction it should be going in. So it's a pound dollar, and looking at the money, this should be 11 pips I got. Now keep in mind, when I close out the trade, all I'm doing is looking at the money, and once I see that I got 200 pips and ticks or more, I am generally happy at that point, and I close out the trades, and then I'm done trading for the day. So there it is right there, 11 pips times the $10 times the 10 lots paid out $1,100. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the euro yen. Wanted to be buying it, very clear that the market's going up, taken directly from my daily trade plan. And the market's very random, as you can well tell. Started to go up, did another cycle, went up again, and this is where I close it out, as it was struggling to go much like past this average daily range high. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out, just being happy. Looks like with about 25 pips. And those 25 pips paid out $1,758. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound Aussie. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow. I manually put in this arrow to remind me I want to be buying it. So let's see where I got in at. Market did this bit of a pullback, not a big deal. There's your trigger candle right here, setup candle followed by the trigger candle. I jumped the gun a little bit, but I knew it was going to go up with 95% certainty. So I pulled the trigger here and I closed it out here, just being happy with about 44 pips. And it looks like those 44 pips paid out $2,966. Moving on to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD. Another one I wanted to be buying, did qualify for a great way to trade. I teach all of these tips and tricks within the training videos. Setup candle, there's your trigger candle right here. I pulled the trigger right on the setup candle. And I closed it out, as I said many times, just being happy. Looks like I got an even 50 pips, and those 50 pips times the money times the 10 lots paid out $3,708. Moving on to the next trade, gold. Gold pays $10, and it does jump around more so than the Forex pairs. Could have easily just kept going down, but the market's very random and it does this, and keep in mind that 10 or 20 ticks usually will not hold. But anyhow, my daily trade plan said to sell. I knew it was going to go down. And I closed it out at this point. Now, looking at the money, it should be 49.5. Oh, I got it right on there. Usually it's very difficult to get it right on. So it's 49.5. Let's go with 49. Times at $10, times at 10 lots, paid out $4,950. Moving right along to the last trade, which is Russell. Wanted to be selling it directly from the daily trade plan. Market did a little bit of a cycle, not too much to be honest. And then it finally dropped. This is your setup candle. That's your trigger candle, and away it went. So I took the trade over here knowing that I was going to have to wait for a while. Usually you have to wait until the opening bell, which is right here. Sometimes it's 8:30 right here. If it doesn't move at 8:30, with the Forex news, if there is any high impact news, if not, then the opening bell for futures is at 9:30, and no big surprise, away it goes. So looking at the money, this should be 91 ticks. So let's see, 91. There it is right there. You remove the last digit, so it's 91 ticks times the $10 times the 10 lots, paid out $9,100. So another great day of trading. And I just added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be over 200, and it is. Grand total came to 270 pips and ticks, and that paid out $23,584. So if your system is not producing like my Pro Trader, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Something that you must have. If you want to get some more information, all you have to do is look right below this video, and you'll see 4 different packages that I recommend you get your hands on. And here's the write-ups. So let's say you buy the Pro Trader system at $250, and you buy the daily trade plan expert advisor at $250. This is where all the training videos are within the Pro Trader system. Now if you buy these 2, I'll give you one of the next 2 for free. Now on the right side here, this is the Easy Trader system with the super signal indicator. Comes with 3 videos focusing on the indicator. And then of course on the left side, I've had many traders ask me, can you go step by step right from the beginning on how you trade live? And that's what this package is called, How I Trade Live Advanced Trading Tips, over 2 gigabytes. And there's 20 training videos, about 20 to 30 minutes long each, covering all of these subjects, starting with my daily trade plan expert advisor. So that's the 4 packages. You can pick any 2 and take one for free. Now with this Pro Trader system, lots of training videos in here also. Each one's about 30 minutes. Now you can put the video on pause at any point. You can read everything. And of course, if you have any questions, simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now I do prefer, eventually I do prefer the Skype. And of course, you can always send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now, as far as Skype goes, I made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link, and through Skype screen sharing, of course, we'll have a connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions. I'll give you some tips and tricks. And keep in mind, I do all of that with no obligation to you. So it looks like it's time to wrap up this video, and of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, should be tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.